UpCart Lift is a heavy-duty all-terrain hand cart that can climb stairs. This is a wide platform. It's rated for 200 pounds and the handle adjusts to 4 different heights. You have 3 wheels on each side, and this will allow you to lift heavy items up and down stairs with great control. And when you're on flat surfaces, you have 2 wheels on each side for great stability, even on uneven surfaces. There's a support on the handle with notches to hold bungee cords. The traditional hand cart with a standard handle, you actually have to bend over quite a bit, which puts stress on the small of your back. What's nice about the UpCart is it really extends very high so that you're able to lift without bending over so much. And you can see the unique wheels. It makes it very easy to go up and down stairs. And then it folds flat for easy storage.